When considering where in Arizona to locate our facility, Casa Grande became the clear choice, with a location close to the I-10 corridor and the major networks, a labor force primed for growth, and a strong local community.
It's an exciting day as we welcome another Taiwanese company here to Arizona. This groundbreaking reinforces the strong partnership from Arizona and Taiwan. This new state-of-the-art facility represents $300 million in capital investment and will create over 200 new high-quality jobs.
We're excited to have you here. We're excited for your enhancing lives through innovative chemistry and serving your customers. Really just want to thank you and your entire team for picking Casa Grande as your new home.
Casa Grande is a city we are excited to call home.